Hello guys, welcome back to my channel TechnoGenius47, and today I'm here with again an unboxing video, and today I'm gonna unbox the very latest smartphone released by Samsung, the Galaxy M20. So without wasting any time, let's head forward. So guys, this is the Galaxy M20. So it's the Galaxy M20 that I have received just 5 minutes ago. So let's unbox it. Okay, come on, there you go. This is the Galaxy M20 that I'm unboxing right now. Okay, so it's just a unboxing and review basis video. So let me just give you the specs quickly. So this is the Samsung Galaxy 32GB version. So it has an Infinity V display, dual camera, and 5000 mAh battery, 16cm Infinity V display, 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, 5000 mAh with fast charging battery, Exynos 7904, 1.8 GHz and 1.6 GHz octa-core processor, and 32GB memory and 3GB RAM. So, and this processor that we get here is one of the latest processors that has been manufactured by Samsung. So yeah, let's open it up. Yeah, so come on, yeah, there you go. Yeah. Let's open it. It's coming out. Come out. Oh, I forgot about this one. Okay. Yeah, we're ready. Let's open it up. Okay. So this is the phone, and I'm gonna take it out. Let's take it out. This is the phone that we're talking about. Come on out. Whoa, just look at it. Just look at it. Whoa. Let me remove the plastic over it. Okay, wait a minute. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Just see how it feels to be in my hand. So there's a glass finish kind of thing, but actually it's a polycarbonate back, but Samsung has given a glass finish out here. So, and then there is the V display that Samsung says is going to give with this phone. And then there is a front camera here. This is the front camera that we get with this phone. There's a lot of plastic over here. Let me remove this plastic. Wait a minute. There's a lot of plastic. Come on out. Yeah, there it's coming out. Okay, so let me just give you its physical features. So there is a fingerprint sensor that actually comes in most of the phones. So there is a real camera. This one is the 13 megapixel one, and this is the 5 megapixel ultra wide camera. There is the LED flash that we get, and then this is a microphone jack, USB type C fast charging port. This is the microphone that we get for voice transmission, and this is the speaker grill. And on the left side we get the SIM tray, and on the other side we have the volume rockers and the power switch on and switch off buttons. And here at the top we get a secondary voice cancellation speaker, mic or something, speaker. So let me show you the other components that we get with this phone. So in the box we get a fast charger, fast charging. It gives a output of 9 volts. Yeah, so it's a very good thing that the Samsung is giving with such a budget phone. Then we get a small SIM ejector tool here, type C USB cable, and this small SIM ejector tool. Well, I'll show you later in the later part of the video. So yeah, let me power it on. So guys, this is the phone, Samsung Galaxy M20 that I have just unboxed in front of you just a few minutes back. So without wasting any more time, let me give you a full spec on how you feel it when you use it. And then I have set up the face unlock here, and I have also set up the fingerprint sensor here. So let me give you how it actually works with the face unlock. So there you go, and it's on. See, that's fast. Actually, it's not that fast as few premium phones, but for a budget phone, it's clearly a good one. Okay, so let me test the fingerprint sensor. That's on. That's a good one. Another one. Yeah. It seems that the fingerprint sensor is doing quite well. And let me show you in the settings what's the latest updates for this Galaxy M20. So the software that we are okay, there's a software update here. I'll surely install it by the end of the day. And then let me check the software version. Yeah, wait a minute. There you go. Yeah, status, and then no, wait, where's it? Yeah, software information, and then yeah, in the Android version we see it's 8.1.0, and I guess it's the Oreo, and yes, it's the Oreo that we get with the Galaxy M20. And the Samsung Experience version is 9.5. There you go, it says 9.5. So yeah, and let me also give you about the how much storage that it provides. So yeah, so let me show you the storage and all. It's here, yeah, here. Okay, so here in the storage, let me see how much amount of storage is available. So here it says that it has about 19.8 GB free, and I have almost used 12.2 GB actually types of game that I've installed in this phone. Okay, and the memory that we get here is 3 GB, and now about 1.8 GB is being used out of 3 GB, and yeah, 340 GB is reserved for the OS, and as device security, I have to scan the phone yet. I've not scanned the phone yet. I'll surely do that. Okay, then yeah, actually the software feels very, smooth. It's very smooth. There you go. See, it's very smooth. This is the new Samsung 9.5 version Samsung UI that Samsung has given. In case of photo, let me just check one. Okay, where is it? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, let me just take that snap. Okay, let me take a snap of this one. Okay, this one is one, and yeah, so yeah, this is the toy that I was searching for. So let's see the shutter speed that the Samsung Galaxy M20 provides us. So this is a good one. Well, now I'm actually clicking these photos with the ultra wide mode, and this is the normal mode that we get. Along with this mode, we also get the live focus mode, also known as the bokeh mode. So I think this will not be able to give the great bokeh mode, since it's not a real human face. So I'll give you the images that I have clicked with my friends and my family members, and I also give you a video that I have made for the Samsung Galaxy M20. Apart from these features, we also get Panorama Pro, and then the beauty mode, stickers, and continuous shots. So yeah, and if we go for the mode like this one, this is the one. Hello. Okay, so this is the front facing camera, and then yeah, this is the one that I was waiting for so many days. And I like to recommend this to people like who wants to get this device, such a powerful one, having everything very cool. It's very cool, like having all these features, powerful features like camera, software, then the UI that they are providing with. So anyone who wants a phone such a great price can surely go for it. So if you like this video, you can please subscribe to this channel and also give a like. So that's it. Thank you.